Hi everyone, welcome along to my latest video. Today I'm going to take a look and a walk round the Dean Village. Now it's only about a 10-minute walk from Edinburgh City Centre, but it is known as a hidden gem and it's beautiful. The buildings date back, most of them, to round about the 18th century, start of the 19th century. At one time this used to be famous for its mills, as it sits right on the banks of the water of Leith. So sit back and relax and enjoy a little stroll around the Dean Village. If you're ever in Edinburgh, have a little bit of time to spare, make sure you put this on your list because you won't be disappointed. It's a photographer's dream. So if you do come to the Dean Village and you have a little walk, you just need to be mindful of the roads here because a lot of them are what's known as cobblestones and they can be a bit uneven, and you just need to make sure that you don't trip up on them. Watch where you're going with your footing. Also, if it's been raining, it can be very slippy. thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that. It's a beautiful place to come and visit and get some stunning photos. If you did enjoy it, or if you've actually been there, leave your comments below. And maybe consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for now. See you on the next video.